Children, let us start with the first lesson, hardware and software. Page number 5. Before getting to the lesson, let us recall our previous knowledge. Okay. Heading, basic parts of computer. What is computer? A computer is a machine that can be used for storing and processing data. Can you say what are the major parts of computer? Yes, monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. We have already learned the functions of different parts of a computer. Now let us learn the hardware and software of a computer. Okay, now let's start with first heading, hardware. Hardware refers to the physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched. For example, the monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, every tiny nut and screw inside the computer is hardware. Devices. The input devices help us to feed data into a computer. Common input devices are keyboard, mouse and joystick. Today, webcam and scanner are other frequently used input devices. Okay children, now let's see webcam. A webcam is the short form of web camera. It is a digital camera connected to a computer. It captures pictures and videos. Okay, now let's see next familiar input device, scanner. A scanner is a device that captures and scans the printed text or photograph into digital form in a computer. The next hardware category, output devices. The output devices are used to display the result and information. The output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. Children, now let's see another one hardware category, storage devices. Storage devices are special devices used to store data and instruction in a computer. There are the two types of storage devices, internal storage devices and external storage devices. The examples of external storage devices, external hard disk, CD, DVD, USB pen drive, and internal storage example, RAM and ROM. Children, so far we have learned about hardware. Okay, now we are going to see about software. What is software? A software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular task. Example, Notepad, MS Paint, MS Office, Windows 7. These are the examples of software. There are the two types of software, system software and application software. Children, come let us learn about system software. Children, as your parents control and manage different works at your home, isn't it? Yes, as like the system software controls and manage the overall activities of a computer system. So the system software is like a manager of a computer system. Operating system is an example of system software. This software helps the computer to function properly. Without system software, we cannot start and shut down a computer. Examples of operating system software are Windows 7, Windows XP, and Unix. Let's see another one software category, application software. Children, have you noticed the wall clock at your home? What does it do? It does only one thing. It shows the time. Yes. Similarly, the application software is used to do specific tasks on the computer. When the system software runs the computer smoothly, we need a software to do different kinds of work. Okay, let us look at some application software. Paint, Windows Media Player, Purple Place, Calculator, Wattpad. These are the examples of application software. Okay children, now let us revise whatever we have learned today. Hardware refers to the physical part of a computer. A software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular task. There are two types of software, system software and application software. System software controls the overall functions of a computer. Operating system is an example of system software. Application software is used to do specific tasks on a computer. Children, I hope you have understood today's concept. Thank you.